While early digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum encountered a great deal of progress, they are many times casualties of the blockchain trilemma. This implies that they battled to be secure, adaptable and decentralized all the while. These are three urgent elements to any advanced resources. Yet most battle to accomplish every one of the three. One is typically forfeited for the others. For example, Bitcoin frequently forfeits exchange speed's adaptability to consider greater security and decentralization. Accordingly, a large portion of the new digital forms of money have been attempting to take care of this issue to acquire a benefit in the exceptionally serious market. In any case, accomplishing an ideal mix of speed, security, and decentralization have ended up being a situation, and scarcely any resources have figured out how to do as such. Algorand is one of them. Dissimilar to Bitcoin and Ethereum, Algorand utilizes a proof-of-stake POS rather than a proof-of-work POW agreement, permitting its clients to stake their resources to reinforce network security and get compensations for doing as such. This permits the stage to zero in additional on versatility and decentralization, pushing it near tackling the blockchain trilemma. What is Algorand? Algorand is a decentralized, unadulterated confirmation of stake network that was made in 2019 by MIT teacher Silvio Macaulay to attempt to tackle the blockchain trilemma. The stage is additionally used to make decentralized applications, dApps, very much like Ethereum. Algorand gives designers the instruments and the foundation they need to rapidly and proficiently foster monetary items that are expedient, versatile and decentralized. Specifically, Algorand is well known for its quick exchanges rates of in excess of 1,000 TPS. It likewise prides on low gas expenses, which pursues at a superior decision for designers and financial backers, particularly when contrasted with Ethereum and Bitcoin, which are known to at times have incredibly high charges. To make things much more straightforward for engineers, Algorand utilizes what is known as the Algorand Standard Resource, ASA, which permits designers to easily make new tokens or move projects from different organizations. Supporting every one of the procedure on the organization is Algorand's local token, Algo. How does Algorand function? As we previously referenced, Algorand is worked around the POS agreement system. Notwithstanding, for this situation, it is known as an unadulterated evidence of stake POS. This is a lot quicker than POS and permits all algo holders to deliver hinders and get impetuses. The Algorand biological system is likewise upheld by an organization of topographically dispersed handoff hubs. These are utilized to course blocks to support hubs, approve marks and in some cases partake in agreement. Algorand utilizes a cycle known as cryptographic sortition to choose clients that take part in its agreement convention. For this situation, block makers are haphazardly and furtively chosen by the Algorand convention by utilizing a weighted lottery framework. As indicated by the framework, clients who hold more Algo tokens are bound to be chosen. Algorand value history. As per CoinMarketCap, Algorand began exchanging at around $2.89. That was on June 20, 2019. After this first spike, the token began dropping emphatically, and toward the finish of July, it was going for around $1.43. Algo drooped significantly further before long and was exchanging at around 89 cents toward September's end. There was a slight improvement towards the year's end, and by December 2019, it was playing at around 23 cents. Algo's initial cost crash was enlivened by a few variables, which incorporated a little local area. Notwithstanding, the greatest patron, authorities on the matter agree, is the way that the stockpile was way higher than request. Considering that it just had a little local area in those days, not many individuals were keen on the coin, particularly when huge players like Bitcoin were ruling the market. Because of the rut, financial backers who purchased Algo at its beginning cost of nearly $3 endured a great deal of misfortune, as the token has always been unable to reproduce that development. To repay clients and keep up with its public picture and validity, Algorand needed to repurchase client tokens at 90% of the purchasing cost. This was a decent move that assisted financial backers with recuperating a portion of the misfortune. However, in any case, nobody created a gain, particularly the people who had wanted to hold. Algo began 2020 at around 21 cents, which was quite a negative start. In any case, before the seconds over month, the cost had multiplied to 45 cents. On the other hand, dunked to 12 cents in mid-walk. This was a consequence of the digital money market imploding because of the flare-up of the coronavirus pandemic. After a few efforts to achieve a more exorbitant cost, Algo figured out how to reach 65 cents. In mid-August, as a great many people trusted that it would hit $1 before the year's over, Algo experienced a significant obstruction level. It began dropping once more, and by December 2020, it was exchanging at 33 cents. A vast bull run started off toward the beginning of 2021. Algo, as the majority of the other advanced tokens, made a move to quickly return and achieve their past exorbitant costs. The token, in this manner, began 2021 at $0.4, then began rising decisively to reach $1.7 on 13 February 2021. In mid-February, the cost again dropped to around $1.4, then further to $1.01 towards the month's end. In spring, Algo skipped somewhere in the range of $1.0 and $1.2. Then went as high as $1.5 in mid-April. Nonetheless, toward the finish of April, it has drooped to as low as $1.1. May began a bullish note, and the token immediately rose to $1.5 on May 9. On the other hand, dropped to as low as 89 cents before the month's over. Toward the start of June, Algo returned to above $1. Then, at that point, around mid-June, it dropped again to as low as $0.8. Algorand then, at that point, finished 2021, exchanging at a cost of $1.66. At the hour of compassing, Algo is exchanging at $1.11, as per cost information from CoinMarketCap. Algorand value expectations for 2023 to assist you with better comprehension, regardless of whether Algorand merits putting resources into. How about we take a gander at a portion of the master expectations for 2023 and 2023? As we have seen from the cost history, Algo began 2021 on a bullish note, however started dropping towards the finish of May. It figured out how to recuperate and end the year at a somewhat more exorbitant cost. Thus we can say that the token is at long last returning and could arrive at new highs in 2023. Preceding cost experts concur that Algo probably won't experience any significant opposition this year, in spite of the fact that there may be a couple of changes. In spite of the fact that Wallet Financial Backer predicts that Algorand will come to the $2.5 mark in mid-2023. As per Wallet Financial Backer, December will significantly more commitment, with Algo shutting the year at $2.85. LongGauge predicts a couple of changes in 2023 and has Algo ascending to its ongoing cost, $1.11, toward the year's end. Long Conjecture is extremely confident around 2023. It predicts that Algo will begin the year at $1.29 and reach $2.15 in August. It could develop to as high as $2.73 in October, then, at that point, begin dropping to complete the year at $2.14. Wallet Financial Backer is substantially more bullish around 2023. The site go on with its 2023 rise, with the Algo beginning at around $2.85. The upswing energy will proceed, and Algo could cross $3.1 in mid-February. The development will be a piece drudgy in spring, with the symbolic bobbing somewhere in the range of $3.4 and $3.6. Among April and July 2023, the cost of Algo could play somewhere in the range of $3.6 and $3.9.